Welcome to another Blue Valley Cabinets tutorial video. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to assemble your drawer base cabinet. Let's get started. First, insert the drawer back brackets into the designated holes on the back panel of the cabinet. Secure the brackets with screws on either side of the sliding bracket. Next, apply wood glue into the grooves of the cabinet panels. Insert both side panels and the bottom panel into the grooves. Using the pre-drilled holes, screw the panels together to form the cabinet structure. Once the side and bottom panels are in place, use a staple gun to attach the back panel to the side panels. Be sure to use plenty of staples for added stability. Now, apply wood glue to the grooves on the back side of the face frame. Position the face frame onto the front of the cabinet, then use a staple gun to secure it from the inside of the cabinet. Next, attach the corner brackets to all four top corners of the cabinet. Use 4 screws for each bracket to ensure they're securely in place. For the toe kick, align it at the bottom portion of the cabinet and secure it using a brad nailer. Flip the cabinet upright and insert the provided drawer glides into the cabinet. Secure the glides into the back brackets and ensure they are flush with the front of the face frame. Then, screw the glides into the inside of the face frame using the provided holes. To assemble the drawer boxes, align the dovetail grooves of the panels, making sure the groove for the bottom panel lines up. Use a rubber mallet to gently secure the dovetail joints. For added durability, use a nail gun to secure the dovetail joints. Attach the drawer glide clips to the bottom front corners of the cabinet box and secure them with multiple screws. Place rubber bumpers on all 4 corners of the back of the drawer front. Then, extend the drawer glides fully and position the drawer box on the glides. Manually clip the extended drawer glide into the drawer glide clips on the bottom of the cabinet box. You'll hear a click when it's secured. Finally, test the drawer to ensure it glides smoothly and is properly aligned. Repeat these steps for all drawers. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at Blue Valley Cabinets by calling 919-897-5666 or email us at info@bluevalleycabinets.com.